RF Stock Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think investing in stocks is all about luck or complicated strategies, but RF Stock aims to simplify stock trading while providing useful insights for investors of all levels. RF Stock is an online brokerage platform that focuses on providing a clean interface, real-time market data, and research tools to help investors make informed decisions. One standout feature is its intuitive dashboard, which displays portfolio performance, market trends, and alerts in one place. This can save time and help you spot opportunities quickly. Most people get this wrong. They assume all stock platforms are either expensive or too complex. The surprising truth is that RF Stock offers competitive trading fees and tools that are easy for beginners to understand, while still being powerful enough for advanced users. For example, you can set stop-loss orders, track dividends, and monitor sector performance without navigating multiple menus. Another advantage is its research and analytics. RF Stock provides access to company financials, analyst ratings, and historical data, which can help investors make smarter choices. You can even create watch lists and customize notifications for stock movements, so you never miss critical market shifts. However, there are considerations. RF Stock is best suited for individual investors rather than institutional trading. While it provides strong tools, active day traders might need additional platforms for high-frequency trading. Also, market risk still applies. No platform can guarantee profits. In conclusion, RF Stock is a solid option for both beginner and intermediate investors looking for an accessible, well-designed platform with reliable market data and useful analytics. Its combination of simplicity, research tools, and cost-effectiveness makes it worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews before choosing a stock trading platform.